Welcome back, guys. I got something really exciting today. It's the Samsung Odyssey G5 C32. Now this is my first 1440p monitor. The one I have set up at the moment is also Samsung, but it's only 1080p. I have a 1440p system, and this is the first time I'm going to see what that looks like. So let's open it up and see what we have. Okay. Okay, first of all, we have the stand. Let's check out what kind of stand they sent us. Okay, pretty basic plastic stand. I suppose it does the job. I'm assuming toolless assembly. We shall see. Okay, what else do we have here? The cables. Gonna need the knife again. Okay, we have the manual and all the other relevant information. We have HDMI cable. Doesn't seem to be a DisplayPort cable. Some people who have ordered this have gotten the HDMI and the DisplayPort. This one only seems to have the HDMI. We've got the power cable and a little power brick. What else is here? Okay, another piece of the mounting bracket. Okay, just regular plastic, nothing too fancy here. Just set this down. Okay, now for the monitor itself. Okay, let's fix the bracket. Okay, well, I thought it was toolless assembly, but as you can see, I need some tools. Need a screwdriver for the next bit. Okay, let's take it out of the box and attach the arm. We don't need this for now. Okay, apparently this just slots on. Apparently not.
A few moments later.
Okay, let's try that again. Oh yeah, first I got to show you this. If you see, some of these do come with toolless assembly, but this one did not. It's very light. It's really rigid, really strong. So I suppose it'll do the trick. But yeah, just regular old plastic. Okay, let's try this one more time. Okay. That's it. It just takes a little bit of force to put that in place. But I suppose, yep, that's it. And I'll lift it up. Okay. Now for the reveal. And there we have it. This thing does have quite a curve on it. And I think that is the main selling point if you like that wraparound feeling. Here at the back, you have the VESA mounting bracket. I'm assuming this is 100 mil. I have heard somebody say they do come with a 75 mil, but that doesn't seem to make much sense. Here you have the 3.5 audio jack. You have the HDMI and display port. And of course, the power. I'm going to say, look at that curve. That is fantastic. Okay, well, I say I plug this bad boy in and we can check out how it looks. Okay, before we plug it in, I just wanted to show you here, you've got a cable management clip. It doesn't wrap around all the way, so your cable can come loose. I thought it might be better if they'd have like cable management like down within with something that you can close to hide the cables fully, but I don't suppose this is too bad. Okay, so now that we have it plugged in, let's check out the settings menu. It's easily accessible by a button here right under the Samsung sign. You push up. Here you've got your source selection, HDMI and DisplayPort. At the top you have your menu. Here under the games menu you can choose your refresh rate. You must remember that out of the box this comes set as 60. So if you want to change that, you've got to go into the refresh rate and choose 120 or 144. Of course, I have it set to 144. Then you've got the response time. You've got your standard, faster, extreme, and extreme MBR, which is the motion blur reduction. If you set this, as you see, it darkens the screen. I have it set to extreme. Then you've got your FreeSync Premium, your low input lag option, your black equalizer, virtual aim point for some people that like to play first-person shooters. This will make sure you're always centered. Oh, let's get back there. I don't play too many first-person shooters, not competitively anyway. And then you've got your screen size selection, auto, wide, 17:43, 19:43, and 19 wide, 16:10. Then you've got 21.5, 16:9, 22 wide, 16:10, 23 wide, 16:9. So that's of course down to personal preference. Here you've got your picture settings. You've got your picture mode, dynamic, cinema, sports, RPG, various settings for your games, first-person shooters, real-time strategies. I have it set to dynamic. Then of course you have your brightness, your contrast, sharpness, color, eye saver mode. And then the on-screen display, you can choose your language and the display timeout. And then of course under system, you've got your volume settings. It's got the off timer, PC or AV mode, DisplayPort version, auto source switch. And then, of course, you've got the support section with the self-diagnostic, software update. For the software update, you will need to download the software, put it onto a USB drive, and update from there. And of course, you've got the reset function. Well, there you have it, guys. That was the Samsung G5 C32 1440p monitor with HDR and a 1000R curve. If you're interested in this, I will leave a link down below. And as always, I'll see you again in the next one. Take care.